How's it going, everybody? This is Mark with AtTech. In this video, we're going through an updated smart home tour. We've done several episodes before where I showed off several devices in my smart home. That was a long time ago. It has really evolved since then. So I'm going to show you everything that is new that I've added over the past year or so, and everything you may want to consider adding to your own smart home. We're going to start right here. This is the August Smart Lock. This is the Pro, the third generation one. What's really awesome is it has HomeKit support, so you can have Siri lock and unlock your front door. It also works with your Echo and your Google Home. All of those things are going to be totally supported on here. It also integrates with the other August products, which I will show you in a little bit. And overall, it's a really great build design. It looks awesome. It's much faster than the previous generation, and it's just a really great lock. Now, outside, right through that window right there, you can see a Ring Video Doorbell 2. That is what we monitor all of our packages with. So the second generation video doorbell has 1080p video and motion recording options as well if you want to do that. I picked the black faceplate because it looks cooler and it matches this stuff. Now, under the table right here, we have something that's not entirely new, but it is something that is updated a little bit, and that is the August Connect. Now, previously that was on the old August doorbell, the original, which I will show you in a second, but now that is controlling this one. So I can use the app to access it anywhere, and I can also use HomeKit anywhere that I want to unlock that. Now right here we have the Echo Dot third generation. I unboxed this a little while ago. It's really nothing special than what we've shown previously, but this is a third generation. The speaker on it is amazing. It sounds really good. And I keep an Echo Dot down here because I feel like the Echo line supports most devices that I need to access down here. And one thing that I have done is I put a smart speaker in every single room of the house, pretty much every room. So wherever you go, you can always get help with something, ask a command, control something. And this did replace a second generation Echo Dot, which is now inside of a portable speaker. And that is what we got right here. So I moved the original August Smart Lock to the back door. So I'm still using it. It's not as good as the new one, but I still want to keep using this. And right here I have the August Smart Keypad. This is something that is brand new. I still have to install this, but it has a motion sensor to light up when someone walks by. It can easily lock and unlock the door, and you don't need your phone or any keys, and that will be controlling this lock right here. Now, while we're here, I want to talk about this on the floor right there. This is the iRobot Roomba E6. This, of course, is a smart vacuum. It will do all of its vacuuming for you. It will learn the surroundings and that sort of stuff. So it's a pretty cool thing. It has app control, so you can control it with your app, but it also does support Google Home and Amazon Echoes. You can just say, ask Roomba to start cleaning, and it will start cleaning right away. And it's pretty cool. Again, this is still being set up too, but right now it's having a little bit of issues in a couple places. So I want to show you something about that. It did come with 2 of these different devices right here. If we take a look at that right there on the floor, we can see that it came with a sensor to block a certain area. So I noticed that it got stuck underneath this table and couldn't get out. So what I have this set to is it's a virtual barrier, so it will not go past that line of sight. Now, if we have another one right here as well, right here in the corner, it got stuck on the corner of this rug. So this one is set for a radius. So it's going to make a radius around this area, and it will not go into there, making it so it won't actually go and fall off the edge right there. So it's still trying to learn everything. It's still trying to learn the area around here, and it's going to take some time for it to figure that out. But for now, we got these things, and that's kind of that. So in the office, I have changed a couple of things. First of all, we have another Echo Dot third generation. This replaced the second generation that I used to have. Again, this one has a much better speaker, so it's really nice. Over here, we have the Google Home Hub. It's actually a Lenovo smart display, but it is running the Google Home Hub software and that sort of stuff. So you can view a ton of stuff on it. It's very useful. And I like that a lot. You can visualize your smart home commands as well. So if I say, hey Google, turn on the charging station.
Okay, turning on the charging station.
And then we can see stuff like the name, and I can even turn it back off if I want to. So that's pretty cool. You just swipe everything away, and you can do a lot with that. So now let's go charge this battery. Also, I've added this right here. This is the Fing box. We made a video on this. This is basically an internet security and advising tool. It will tell me every single device that's on the network, the IP address, the MAC address. It will perform internet diagnostics, so it can automatically monitor the speeds of the internet, making sure we're getting the speeds we're supposed to. It'll check for vulnerability and open ports. And it's a really great thing to tell what's online, what's not working, and also lets me know if anything goes offline. So if the server down there dies or something, I will be the first to know, because I will know when the server goes offline. Very nice. And we have been also expanding on things we currently use before. So I talked about the Insteon before with the smart plugs, and we still do use these, but I did expand quite a bit on the Insteon ecosystem. So now we got motion sensors, door sensors, leak sensors, along with a couple more of these power adapters. And then I do have even more other brand smart power adapters to control other things like the charging station, which I just turned on, and other stuff. So we still expanded on a lot of the stuff we had before. We still have all that stuff, and we've added a bunch of new stuff. So there you go. That is a quick tour of our updated smart home, a lot of the new stuff we've added. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a like, and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.